Wow.
Today we're making the Dublin Minstrel,
Whoa.
and we're making it even more Dublin. We're
Yes.
doubling the Dublin in the Dublin Minstrel.
You can't have too much Irish.
But can you though? Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Dan, Derrick, and Ian are going to make a better drink for you this time.
Yes.
This cocktail is called the Dublin Minstrel, submitted by Stephane Foisy. Our executive producer is Stephane Foisy, because it made sense. He supports like all of our things that you can subscribe to. Happy National Pound Cake Day for those that celebrate the pound cake.
3/4 of an ounce.
Look at that. We just did a review on this.
We did. It's up here. Oh fuck! I gotta make sure to get it out.
Yeah, you gotta make sure it's up there. This?
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's good.
Oh yeah, you weren't here, Jen.
I was not.
I mean, wife number one.
The recipe's 1 ounce of Irish whiskey, 3/4 ounce of green Chartreuse, 3/4 ounce of Maraschino Liqueur, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. Shake, strain into each cocktail glass. Make that a coupe. Make it a Nick and Nora, whatever. It's all available at OstDrinks.com. Use coupon code DRINK15. Save 15% off until April 21st.
Oh yeah, I still need my big coupes.
Yeah, you do. I've probably already bought and reordered them since then.
I know. I need to make bigger drinks.
Yeah. This fits in one of the smaller coupes. These are the most returned item we sell because for some reason people don't know how much 4 ounces is, and they're like, "This is really small." Like it's 4 ounces. It's
But
just,
most of our drinks that we make are of that size.
yeah, they start that way, and then we get sick of making drinks, so we make them bigger glasses.
Well,
But if you're at a little mini bar,
you try to be,
it's portion control.
Yeah. You try to be good in the beginning.
Right. Yeah, and if you don't make it that way, well, all bets are off.
I know. Look
Whoa!
at that. You got a new member.
Like it just happened right there. Chris just became a new member. Our executive producer is Chris Mura, M-U-R-A, and I say that so that I remember when I type it in. I didn't know it would be
good.
announced like that.
Finally, like a real drink.
Why is it yellow? Oh, because the green Chartreuse.
Yeah. Because Ian peed in it.
Would you get fingernails stuck in it or something?
Yeah.
Seeds?
I think that's part of the lime. I think.
Yeah, I didn't filter the lime.
Yeah,
I get lazy.
It uses lime with whiskey.
It just looked like a fish scale or something, so I wanted to pull it out.
He uses lime with whiskey. Are we gonna have? This is gonna be.
We already have a dissenting opinion over there.
I was asking.
Wow.
Usually it's lemon with whiskey.
I think we're gonna have a
Okay,
dissenting
wife
opinion.
number one. It's okay.
Disregard the angry voices in the back.
We'll lay off the K names because I don't want anybody to think those are your actual names.
K number one.
Karen.
Oh. Yeah.
Debbie.
Debbie.
Don't make me get Brianna down here.
Or
She'll yell at you, Ian.
Karen and Bridget.
I'll just ask about a guinea pig and she'll stop yelling.
Yeah, then she won't stop talking.
Yep. Reminds me of like a last word or something like
The
that.
last word is lemon.
Well, anything with like maraschino and the maraschino kind of
And the
comes.
Chartreuse,
yeah.
Tastes like a classic. I kind of like.
It's a little limey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little too sour for me.
Well, there.
It's a little limey.
That's okay.
You just got a donation.
Damn.
Woo! Ow, my shoulder.
How's Nola
Thanks,
doing,
David.
Dave?
Yeah.
Hopefully it's nice and warm and not whatever
It's
happened.
dead during Mardi Gras.
Yeah.
I showed this.
Happy Mardi Gras,
Yeah.
Dave.
He's probably glad.
Yeah, probably.
Because he's not a.
But I say happy, you mean you don't have to deal
He's
with
a local.
you don't have to deal with all the fucking tourists
Yeah.
throwing up on the streets.
That's a good drink. I think the Chartreuse kind of puts a little bit of a spin
That
on
might
it.
be what the flavor is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was kind of hoping for
Gives
a
it
little
like
more
a little
Irish
herbal.
whiskey though.
I don't even taste that whiskey.
We forgot to start your camera.
Oh, that's
No,
not
you're gonna
enough.
have to hit it again. There you go.
That's okay.
Damn it, my drink is half empty.
Well,
Oh well.
Oh wow.
I'll make it work.
It's okay. We made half portions tonight.
Yeah. To be good.
It's portion control.
Yeah.
Either that or what I have done in the past is I have found a cocktail that looked similar to what we were making out on recipe.awesomedrinks.com and just use that as my thumbnail. Like, at least it kind of fits.
That's such a white milk dud way of doing things.
I think we should put more whiskey in it.
Yeah, that's.
I'd go with like an ounce and a half of whiskey.
Maybe, yeah. I mean, Irish whiskey tends to be a little muted, and these are very powerful flavors.
Yeah.
They're all
Maraschino and
powerful
Chartreuse
flavors.
are very powerful.
And ironically,
But maybe that's
you don't
why it
get those.
works. Maybe if it was too
No.
Irish whiskey, maybe it would be too much.
Give me some more Irish whiskey.
I was thinking a Dublin Minstrel would
what
have
whiskey?
more Dublin in it.
Irish? Want some more Irish? Let me give me one.
I don't think you need any more Irish.
Tell you a little more Irish.
Irish. Give me some more
Dad wants
Irish.
to know if it's good, Ian.
What's that?
Good?
Dad wants to know if it's good.
Why?
It is
Well,
good.
you gotta rewind because we did a whole review
It's quite good.
and now we missed it.
I don't know if that changes it too much.
Maybe it's like a void. It just neutralizes all Irish whiskey that touches it.
That's better.
Okay, yeah.
He'll believe you now.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, like an ounce and a half?
Yeah, I think a little bit more Irish. That's
Yeah,
good.
Irish.
Irish.
A little more Irish.
Yeah, actually,
Well,
more.
if I didn't have fucking 4 shots and...
Luxardo comes out of it more now than I did before.
Yeah, a little bit.
Like I get a little more Luxardo.
Chartreuse
Yeah.
is a little bit more muted.
Yeah,
That's a good drink.
Yeah, I
wouldn't-
like the drink.
I wouldn't drink it.
Of course you wouldn't.
Why?
I mean, if I ordered it, I wouldn't spit it out.
Because only 2
But,
out of 3
like-
can be right.
No,
But
like
you
it's.
drink the cream drink.
I also wouldn't order 2 of them, but like I would drink it. I would drink this too. It's just
I wouldn't order
I would
one
drink
of
them
them.
together though, because that would be fucking weird. No, it's just very. It tastes like lime juice in a way. Like it's just too much lime.
Well,
It is pretty limey.
I want more
Yeah.
booze. And
Yeah, see? Me too.
You want more booze?
you
Is
know,
that what you said? Because the Chartreuse at what, 55% alcohol by volume, and the Maraschino, what is this?
it's just
32 is not enough.
No,
But he still only tastes lime.
yeah.
So maybe we cut back on the lime.
Yeah.
There's only 3.
A little more Irish, and then I think the lime... I thought after we put a little more Irish in the lime...
I mean, it was better, but it didn't. It's still limey. Like it tastes like a Corpse Survivor or whatever we said it was like before. Like those more sour forward drinks. I think that's lemon instead
Yeah.
of lime or whatever. But like even those, like I could drink it, but I feel like it's just very much a citrus party, and I want. If I'm gonna have that, like if I have a daiquiri,
If you want a
I
party
don't get
in your
that
mouth,
much citrus.
you want a different kind of party.
Yeah. I want nudes.
That just went
Nudes?
like...
Nudes.
what's
Noobs?
happening?
I don't know. He wants dudes in his mouth. I don't know. I can't
So
keep
this
up with
green
him anymore.
Chartreuse is kind of...
He likes cream and dudes in his mouth. That's what I'm getting out of Derrick tonight.
pink cream, pink cream.
White cream and dudes in his mouth. I think it's safe to say this is good, and we should make another one.
Yep.
Yeah, let's do it.
More videos that involve
Sidecar.
less
We
nudes
were
and
making one
nudes.
last night.
Yes.
Down below is the Ostrix Bartender Starter Kit. Use drink 15 as a coupon code at ostrix.com. Save 15% off until April 21st, 2021. You can get yourself some coupe glasses and bar shaker kits. That's a professional bar shaker kit over there.
You need that.
Boston shaker. Professional Boston shaker. Boom!
Boston
You need it.
shaker.
Boston.
Now. That's
Make
it.
some wicked drinks.
Wicked drinks, man.
I am the guy in the standee.
Yeah, you should make a sidecar.
We're teaching you how to
Sister
drink.
had, right?